Guess what? I just discovered an amazing new AI tool that's a game changer for creating YouTube thumbnails. It's like having your own magical genie that can conjure up eye-catching visuals in seconds. You know how all the top YouTubers are obsessed with their thumbnails, right? They practically chant thumbnail as if it's a secret success mantra. And have you noticed how many YouTubers dress up and pose with an iPad? It started off as a joke and now it's a trending style. But here's the deal. You could make the most incredible video ever, but if your thumbnail looks like it was sketched by a sleepy hamster, chances are no one's going to give it a second glance. That's the tough truth in the YouTube world. Ever tried making those eye-catching thumbnails for your videos? It's not easy, right? You end up wrestling with complex programs like Photoshop, trying to crack the code on what grabs people's attention. It's no surprise that professional thumbnail artists can charge up to $25 per design. Imagine a tool that creates stunning thumbnails in just a few seconds, saving you from the headaches of Photoshop and the mysteries of click psychology. Meet Pixels. It's like having a personal thumbnail artist right at your fingertips, and it won't break the bank. Let's dive in and see how this AI wizard can effortlessly transform your video thumbnails. Need proof that Pixels really works? Check this out. One video featuring a thumbnail created by Pixels racked up a staggering 3.6 million views. Yes, you heard that right. And that's not all. Another video with a Pixels crafted thumbnail brought in 600,000 views. And yet another scored 160,000 views. These numbers clearly show the impact of a great thumbnail. First up, you'll need to join their Discord group. Once you're inside, you can test out their tool for free during a trial period. It's really straightforward. Simply tell the tool the type of thumbnail you want. For example, let's say you're aiming for a thumbnail that evolves from day 1 to day 30. Those types really grab attention. Here's what to do. Start by providing the title of your video to help the tool understand its content. Next, describe the specific details or elements you want in the thumbnail. Once you're done, hit enter, and the AI will whip up an incredible thumbnail based on your specifications. It's like having your own creative assistant right at your fingertips. With all those intricate details like cobwebs, cardboard boxes, a YouTube logo, money, and bright green graph, it's no surprise that you'd need some serious editing skills to achieve such results on your own. The AI really nailed it, showcasing just how far technology has advanced in aiding creative tasks. It's truly amazing what it can accomplish. Once again, you're aiming to create a thumbnail for a video that captures the most catastrophic racing accident in history. You want to instantly grab viewers' attention with a bold statement like "worst crash in history" featured prominently on the thumbnail. Pair this with a striking image of the significant crash, and you're sure to spark curiosity and excitement about the video's content. Once you're satisfied with the design, just download your custom-made thumbnail. It's guaranteed to make a powerful impact. You'll notice there's a watermark on our thumbnails, but don't worry, I'll show you how to remove these watermarks for free in the next step. First, go to Google and search for Watermark Remover AI. Choose an eraser and click on Try for free. Then, simply drag and drop your thumbnail into the tool and use the provided brush to erase the watermarked area. Once you're done, hit Remove Objects Now. After a brief wait, you'll see the watermark completely disappear from the thumbnail. Lastly, click on Download Without Watermark. And there you have your clean image, ready to use. I always use Canva to fine-tune the rest of my thumbnails. Simply upload the image you've created in Pixels, and then adjust it to fill the entire screen. Here's a trick I swear by, and encourage you to try as well. Remember, less is more when it comes to a good thumbnail. Aim for simplicity by limiting your thumbnail to just 3 key elements that catch the viewer's eye. This approach helps ensure that your thumbnail is clear, striking, and effective. In this scenario, picture a car engulfed in flames with various small details around it, such as tires soaring through the air. These minor elements, while dramatic, can distract viewers from the main message, the significant crash, which could potentially reduce clicks on your video. But fear not! When you select the image in Canva and go to Edit Photo, you'll find the Magic Erase tool. Just draw over the distracting parts and watch as Canva's AI works its magic, seamlessly erasing them from the image. It's truly impressive how it cleans up the scene. In this image, I recommend erasing most of the small details, perhaps leaving just 1 or 2 tires visible. This approach results in a much cleaner and visually appealing thumbnail, which is more likely to attract clicks. Just a heads up, to access the AI functionalities in Canva, like the Magic Erase tool, you'll need a Canva Pro account. This tool is invaluable for streamlining your design and ensuring your thumbnails capture the essential message effectively. If the main subject of your thumbnail isn't centered, simply drag the image downwards to adjust its position. After repositioning the image, head back to Edit Photo in Canva. This time, select the Magic Expand option, followed by Whole Image Canvas. The AI will then generate additional parts of the image to fill in any gaps that appear from the adjustment. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a balanced and visually appealing composition in your thumbnail. For the final touch, let's add some text. Ideally, place it at the top of the thumbnail. When adding text, it's crucial to emphasize the contrast between the text and the background to ensure it stands out and draws more clicks. Given that the background in this case is dark, opting for white text will maximize visibility and impact. If the text on your thumbnail isn't standing out as much as you'd like, adjusting the font and size can help, but I have another trick that works wonders: enhancing the contrast between the text and the background. Try this. Go to Elements in your design tool and search for a black gradient effect. Position this gradient behind your text. This added layer of contrast will make the text pop dramatically against the background, capturing more attention. With that final tweak, your thumbnail is ready to go. Now don't forget to check out these videos for another fantastic YouTube tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide useful. If you did, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.